Monitoring and accountability service providers deploy their own smart contracts. One of the key innovations of LegitDAO's system is the requirement for service providers to deploy their own smart contract when working with the DAO. This smart contract, written in Solidity, acts as an automated ledger that tracks the progress and execution of tasks in real time, ensuring full transparency throughout the project's lifecycle. Deploying the service provider's smart contract. When a service provider is approved by the DAO, they must deploy their own smart contract using the standardized service provider contract created by LegitDAO. This contract is linked to the main DAO contract, allowing the DAO to monitor and interact with the service provider's activities. By requiring service providers to use their own contracts, LegitDAO ensures that every action taken by the provider is transparent and recorded on the blockchain. The service provider's smart contract acts as a real-time record of project execution, logging key activities such as 1. Milestone completion, recording when each milestone is completed and whether it meets the agreed-upon standards. 2. Resource utilization, tracking how resources such as funds, personnel, and tools are being utilized during the project. 3. Communication and updates, allowing the service provider to submit regular updates to the DAO, ensuring that the community remains informed of the project's progress. By linking the service provider's contract to the DAO contract, LegitDAO creates a transparent feedback loop where all members can monitor progress and raise concerns if necessary. Real-time monitoring and performance evaluation. One of the most powerful features of this system is real-time monitoring. Because every action taken by the service provider is recorded on the blockchain, the DAO can monitor the project's progress without needing manual updates or reports. This allows for continuous oversight, ensuring that the service provider is meeting the project's timeline and delivering high-quality work. If the DAO detects slow progress, low-quality work, or a lack of transparency, it can take corrective action. This includes issuing warnings to the service provider, adjusting deadlines, or revising the project's scope. The real-time nature of the monitoring system ensures that issues are identified early and addressed before they escalate. Revoking a contract. In cases where a service provider consistently fails to meet expectations, whether due to delays, substandard work, or failure to communicate, the DAO has the power to revoke the contract. This process is initiated by the DAO's token holders who vote on whether to terminate the contract with the service provider. If the majority votes in favor of revoking the contract, the service provider's agreement is terminated, and the DAO can reassign the project to another provider. Because all activities are recorded on the blockchain, there is a clear and transparent record of why the contract was revoked, ensuring that the decision is based on objective criteria rather than personal bias.